Hello, my name is Dr. Lee Lindquist, and I'm Chief of Geriatrics here at Northwestern Medicine. My new research project that was funded by the NIH with R01 funding is called Measuring Caregiver Networks of Older Adults with Alzheimer's. Previously, people have just looked at the caregiver and the senior as a dyad, meaning two people, a couple. But we know from geriatric office visits, from seeing people in the nursing home, from home visit, that there's all these other people that are supporting the senior as well as supporting the caregiver. And so I actually was introduced to a woman who's here at Northwestern who is looking at how STDs can be tracked. So you have a person who develops HIV and they have to contact all the people that they've had relations with. So we were sitting together and we were talking, and I thought, hey, could we do that with caregivers? Let's look at the networks and the relationships of the people that support the senior with Alzheimer's. So with this really cool software, we're able to track the different caregivers and people that support the caregivers. So it's no longer just a senior and a caregiver. It's actually these huge networks. And what's also going to be fascinating with the study is that there are people out there that are seniors without anyone around them, very little support. And then there's also seniors that have permutations, one person who's distant, one person who's close by that are helping out. So this is going to be a really interesting study for us to better understand caregiver networks and how they can support the senior. In corollary, we're also going to be able to look at interpersonal relationships, because we all have seen people that are not really drinking the Kool-Aid on how to take care of your senior. So we will be looking at these interpersonal relationships. So, is the sister in conflict with her brother in taking care of the mom? Is one relative doing more work than another relative? And we'll be able to see how the interpersonal stresses impact each other and how the burden is shared. Once we get all this information, we'll be able to analyze which caregivers need more support, which caregivers need more resources, which seniors are not getting enough support. And then also this correlates with our other research that's looking at how to de-escalate conflicts using negotiation skills. So can we teach these caregivers that are not getting along to negotiate and communicate better to support the senior? This research is going to be revolutionary in understanding how seniors with Alzheimer's disease are supported and how we can support caregivers better, because so far there's been so much research that has solely looked at just that caregiver-senior dyad, one person and one person. But we want to make sure that all the caregivers get supported and that all the caregivers have good communication skills so that they can ultimately take care of their seniors with Alzheimer's as the Alzheimer's progresses.